We've got fresh water lines, stormwater improvements, and an Olympic torch run all happening right now in this Melbourne Minute. The Melbourne Police Department was honored to host the 2024 Law Enforcement Torch Run for Special Olympics Florida, running the torch over the Melbourne Causeway.
Throughout the partnership of law enforcement and Special Olympics, we provide opportunities for athletes to empower and transform themselves, their communities, and the world.
Between Hickory Street and Apollo Boulevard, the last section of an 84-inch corrugated metal storm drain pipe was repaired with a cured-in-place liner. The pipes were lined with a special material that hardens in place, replacing the old pipe. For a project that would have normally taken 3 months, using this newer method, the project was completed in just 3 days, all without moving a single shovelful of dirt. Over near the Melbourne-Orlando International Airport, work has begun to install a new water distribution main that will run along NASA Boulevard, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard, and Apollo Boulevard.
Some of the benefits of this project are it's going to allow us to provide increased system pressure to our residents and ensure that we don't have water quality issues that are a result of water main breaks.
And that's it for this Melbourne Minute. Be sure to visit melbourneflorida.org/minute to find out more about these stories and keep up on what's happening in Melbourne.